So you want the bad news or the good news of this real estate market first? Let's start with the bad news. They say the sky is falling. The market could crash. Interest rates are out of control. Inflation's out of control. Some of that is true. The good news is we have one issue with this market that still stands today, and we have a low inventory issue across the country. And it's because of the lack of housing starts that has been lacking since 2008 when the market crashed last time. We are not creating enough households for the amount of increased homes that are needed because of this large millennial movement moving out of the home into their own homes. They all need housing. It's not being built to match these numbers. So yes, we have increased interest rates, fear in the marketplace about where prices might go. Pulling on the other side is the lack of housing. That is going to keep a balance in the marketplace. I don't foresee a massive crash. Could there be a small correction with some markets in some areas? Absolutely. Is the ceiling going to fall and the prices are going to crash massively? I don't think so. That's my opinion.